Welcome back sa continuation ng aking tutorial para sa fraction. So, for this part 2 ng ating series para sa fraction, so we will do conversion ng improper fraction to mixed number and also mixed number to improper fraction. So, yun yung gagawin natin conversion for this video. So, let's have the example na magkakaroon tayo muna ng improper to mix fraction. So, yung improper fraction by definition, mas malaki yung kanyang numerator mas malaki yung kanyang numerator sa kanyang denominator. So, for example, we have 6/4. We will convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. So, paano nga ba yon? So, kung maalam kayo ng long division method, I'm sure you can do this also with add is. Madali lang ito para sa inyo. So, we will do yung long method. So, 6 divide by 4. So, ganyan yung mangyayari. So, 4. Ilang bang 4 meron sa 6? Meron lang tayong isa. Diba? And 1 times 4, we have 4. Then we will just subtract 6 by 4, so we will have 2. So meron na tayong remainder na 2. So ang gagawin lang natin dito, you just put into your mind na meron kang 1 yung sagot mo, and then yung remainder mo is will be this is your mixed number, mixed as whole number, mix yung sa whole number mo, and then ito yung magiging numerator mo, and your 4 will be your denominator. So magkakaroon ka ng 1 and 2/4. Pero hindi pa yan yung final answer because yung 2/4 natin can be simplified. So, paano ba siya masisimplify? It is by yung paggamit natin ng kanyang factors. So, we will, ano ba yung factors ng 2? Diba meron tayong 2 times 1. And kapag 4 naman, ano ba yung factors? Ng 4, we have 2 times 2. And we can cancel yung 2 sa taas sa numerator and 2 sa denominator. What will remain is 1 and 1/2. And that is our final answer. Let's have another example. So what if we have 13/5? So paano ba yan kino-convert to mixed fraction? So let's have the long method. So we have 13 divide 5. So ilan bang 5 meron sa 13? Meron tayong dalawa. And 2 times 5 is 10. And 13 minus 10 is 3. Now, nasa remainder na tayo. Alam na natin yung remainder because 3 is, cannot be divided by 5. So, we can convert this into mixed fraction. So, again, yung ating magiging mixed number, whole number natin, whole number is yung sagot. That is 2. And yung numerator natin is yung remainder, which is 3. And then, we have the denominator, which is 5. So, we have 2 and 3/5 as our final answer. Okay, let's have another example. let's have 21 over 8. So let's do the long method of division. So let's have square 21 divided by 8. Okay. Ilan bang 8 meron sa 21? Diba meron lang tayong dalawa. And then 2 times 8 is 16. 21 minus 16 is equal to 5. And 5 is cannot be divided by 8. So we have arrived dun sa ating final answer. And then we can transform this, yung ating nakuha sa long method of division natin, into our mixed fraction. So we will have, yung whole number natin is yung sagot, which is 2. And then yung ating numerator is yung remainder, which is 5. And then yung ating denominator is yung ating denominator dun sa given, which is 8. So, 21 over 8 is equal to 2 and 5/8. So, that is how you convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. So, ito naman, ang gagawin naman natin ngayon is to convert naman yung vice versa o pabaliktad. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. So dito, meron naman tayong pabaliktad na gagawin. So if we have 2 and 1/5, we can convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. So all we have to do is to multiply yung 5 at saka yung 2. So paikot yan. 5 times 2 and then atin siyang i-add sa 1. Okay? So lalakayan ko. If we have 2 and 1/5, so yung 5, i-multiply natin sa 2. And then, that is 5 times 2 is 10. And then, i-add natin siya sa numerator, which is 1. So, 10 plus 1, we have 11. And we will just copy yung denominator, which is 5. So, ibig sabihin, yung ating 2 and 1/5 is equal to 11 over 5. Okay, next. What if we have 6 and 3/4? So, yun ulit ang gagawin natin. So, lalakihan ko ulit. So, we have 6 and then 3/4. We will multiply 4 by 6. That is 24. And then we will add it dun sa ating numerator. We have 4 times 6, that is 24, plus 3, that is 27. And then we will just copy yung ating denominator, which is 4. So 6 and 3/4 is equal to 27 over 4. Last example. Let's have 5 and then 5 and 7/10. So, paano nga ba yun? So, let's write it as may malaking spacing. So, we have 10 times 5 plus 7. So, same process tayo. And kapag nagets nyo na yung process na ito, I am sure na you can do this with ease. Napakadali lang ito para sa inyo. So, let's continue. So, we have 10 times 5, we have 50. Plus 7, that is 57. And 57, divide, that is yung denominator niya is the same with our given, which is 10 also. So, yan yung ating final answer. And that's how you convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. So, in that, ang next na video natin will tackle about operations of fraction. So, madami pa tayong kasunod and madami pang videos na tayong i-continue. So, please watch our next series.